Hello and welcome to the Using the Toolbars, Attaching Documents and Other Options video. In this video, I will show you what the icons in the toolbars above and below the accounting line items are used for. We'll start by exploring the top menu. If you are instead interested in the bottom menu, including attaching documents, use this screen to skip ahead to that section. Let's get started. The first button is the Add New Record button. You use it to add new lines to the budget adjustment. The second button is the Save Edits button. It will save any change you have made to the line items. All changes must be saved before you submit for approval. The third button is the Delete Row button. To use this button, first click on the row number of the line you want to delete. The row will be highlighted in blue and the X on the Delete button will turn red. Click the Delete button. Since I don't want this row deleted, I will click on the Undo button. The fourth is the Copy button. If I click on a row, it will highlight the row and enable the Copy button. If I then click the Copy button, I will make a copy of the highlighted row. This can be useful if you are making multiple budget adjustments with the same focal information. You simply have to adjust the amounts and/or the comments. The Undo Edit button reverses the previous action, and as you can imagine, the Redo Edit button brings back the transaction I undid. The last button is the Grid Settings button. We don't use this feature. There are additional icons at the bottom of the screen. As we continue, I will briefly explain what each button is used for. Click on the Attach Additional Information button if you want to upload documentation to support the budget adjustment. To view the approval history of the budget adjustment, click on the History button. Click on the PDF button to create a PDF of the budget adjustment before submitting it. At this point, you can cancel the adjustment by clicking on the Cancel button. Once you submit the adjustment, you will no longer be able to cancel it. Once it has been submitted, you can use the Copy button to create a new budget adjustment based on the existing information in the current adjustment. The Import button allows me to import accounting line items that are already entered on a pre-formatted Excel template. The Balance button provides a view of how the budget adjustment will affect the balances in the fund and organizational codes entered in the line item. The last button is the Page Notes button. We do not use this feature. I have now completed entering the accounting line items for the budget adjustment and I am ready to submit it. I will submit the budget adjustment in the next video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please email any feedback to fax@carleton.ca.